This is a 2020 Mercedes GLC protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So the way this works, as soon as you exit the vehicle, it's secure and it's going to need a PIN code to drive. So if a thief got the key, done a relay attack, stole it off you, got into your car and went to drive it, when they put it in gear, you can see it goes into gear and straight back into park. They're going to be unable to drive it away. So this system, to drive your vehicle, needs a PIN code. So you can start the car, pop your code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the side light and we can now select our gear and drive away. As soon as the customer leaves the vehicle, you get 2 flashes and the system's active. So if a thief pulled you out, grabbed your key as you've got home, your vehicle's going to be secure instantly. As you can see, into gear, straight back into park. So put our push sequence in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a flash from the side lights. We can select our gear and the vehicle's good to go. If the customer wants to set a new code, what they'll do, first disarm it, turn the ignition on. Now it's disarmed, they'll put their foot to the floor 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get a double flash and now it's ready to learn a new code. So we just set the windows, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash that confirms our new code. So we'll just open and close the door as if we've got out of the vehicle and got back in. Now we'll start it up. As you'll see, our old code's not going to give us a flash because we've changed it. No flash, we're not going to be able to drive away. So we'll pop our new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, we get a flash from the side lights. We can select our gear and drive. If this is going for a service and they want to turn the whole system off, when they get in the vehicle, like before, they won't start it. So foot off the brake, double tap to get all our lights on with the ignition. Now they'll pop their code in, and on the last one they'll hold for 15 seconds until we get 5 flashes. Now we've got them, the system's going to be in service mode, which means this is now a normal vehicle. So we exit, no flashes, system doesn't activate, and it's going to go into gear just as if it's a normal vehicle. And Mercedes will be able to work on it and road test it and do what they need to do without you needing to give them the code. When you get it back home, you're obviously going to want it secure and you want to turn the system back on. So just like before, foot off the brake, double tap the start button to get all the lights on. Pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4 like we have for now, and we'll hold on the last button for 10 to 15 seconds. But this time we're only going to get 1 flash to confirm the system's back on. There we go. So now system's active. As you'll see, when we open the door, 2 flashes from the side light, system's active, and you're going to be unable to select a gear and drive away. This is the Halo Mini on a 2020 Mercedes GLC. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Halo Mini. Protects against key cloning, relay attack, key theft as soon as you exit the vehicle. Doesn't take time to set. As soon as you get out, your vehicle's secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini. Thanks for watching.